Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to check device activities on your Bluevine account. Monitoring device activity is going to help you to spot logins from unfamiliar phones or computer, which could indicate unauthorized access. Bluevine makes this process simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, log into your Bluevine app or web account. Once you're in your dashboard, just go to the settings menu and then select security. Now look for the option that's labeled device activity or login devices. Then review the list of devices that's connected to your account. Each entry will show the device type, location, and last login. Compare the list with the devices that you actually use and pay attention to unfamiliar locations or devices that you don't recognize. Now, if you see something suspicious, just click remove device or log out device to cut its access immediately. For added security, update your password and reset two-factor authentication. Checking device activity regularly is going to keep your Bluevine account safe from hidden threats. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.